Meanwhile, 3 people faced a judge today after they were arrested while protesting near the Pulse crosswalk in Orlando. This has to do with the removal of those rainbow colors there to also comply with the new state law. They used chalk to color in the crosswalk outside the Pulse Memorial.
And the judge found probable cause for the arrest and allowed them to be released without having to post bond. This is the latest development since FDOT first erased the rainbow colors from those crosswalks nearly 2 weeks ago.
Justin Schechner is outside the Orange County Jail with more on the judge's decision.
Damage to property, criminal mischief, interference with a traffic control device, damage of $1,000 or more.
One by one, the 3 protesters appear before a judge from the Orange County Jail late Monday morning.
Shame! Shame! Shame!
FHP troopers took them away in handcuffs for putting chalk down the Pulse Memorial crosswalk Sunday night.
That they failed to allege an actual $1,000 or more in damage with water-soluble chalk, that the crosswalk is an extension of the sidewalk, which is a traditionally held public forum for free speech.
They're each represented by Orlando attorney Blake Simons.
The judge did find under the 4 corners of these arrest affidavits that are sworn affidavits by these FHP officers that there was probable cause. However, there are no formal charges against any of these 3 individuals.
FHP released copies of the arrest affidavits for Zane Aparicio, Mary Jane East, and Donovan Short, who goes by Melody. Unlike the affidavit for Sebastian Suarez's arrest on Friday night, 2 of them say FDOT provided the cost to return the traffic control device to its original state as $1,562.
So I would refer you to the DOT memo.
Governor Ron DeSantis in Orlando last week said artwork and markings, regardless of their messaging, need to be removed from state, county, and city roads to comply with the new FDOT regulations.
The Pulse Memorial being one of the first places painted over with these new alleged FDOT regulations was the first blow in this fight. This fight has now become bigger with Sebastian's arrest and now the arrest of the 3 individuals last night.
Simon says this is now a fight over FHP selectively enforcing the law against individuals exercising their First Amendment rights.
Immediately after these 3 individuals were arrested, a black SUV approached the crosswalk 2 different times and performed a burnout with their tires on the crosswalk, leaving actual damage that doesn't wash away with the Florida rain. FHP did nothing.
And Sunday night, demonstrators marched to City Hall to continue their protest by chalking there away from the Pulse Memorial for the 49 people killed in the 2016 mass shooting. In Orlando, I'm Justin Schecher, WPBF 25 News.